Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, how are you doing? I hope you're doing good. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Rian Ifandi. You can call me Rian. I'm from Bangka Belitung. I'm 25 years old. I was born in October 10, 1999. Okay. Um, I have a hobby. My hobby is singing, and I really love music since I was a kid. And I have a favorite band too. My favorite band is Dewas 11. I think that's all about me. So I want to explain what I'm studying along this semester. Okay, of course, I'm learning a lot of things in this semester, like learning about grammar, uh, like simple present sentence, past tense, dependent clause, independent clause, adjective, and something like that. Okay, first of all, I want to explain about dependent and independent clause. So, what is dependent clause and independent clause? Okay, sorry, before I gonna explain that clause, I wanna say maybe I I I can't speak English full in this video because my English not I can speak English pretty well. So maybe I gonna mix my language like English and Bahasa. Okay, something like that. Okay, we go next. We sorry. We go to uh, our first lesson. So independent clause itu adalah kalimat yang berdiri sendiri. Gitu. Sedangkan dependent clause itu kalimat yang tidak bisa berdiri sendiri, jadi harus butuh satu kata. Independent clause itu rumusnya adalah subject plus verb. Gitu. Sedangkan dependent itu adalah rumusnya adalah subject, harus ada because, whether, that, when, and something like that. Okay, the example independent clause is I work, I swim, I drive, I write, I read. So that's example of independent clause. So how about the dependent clause? We can add because or that or when in our sentence. Like when I was kid, okay? When I heard the thunder, okay? So what happened if we combine the sentence? Of course, it's being multiple sentence atau kalimat jamak. Maybe I correct me if I'm wrong because I'm a little bit don't remember about that. Okay, if we combine the sentence, it's being the multiple sentence dan kalimat majemuk contohnya adalah um, I dropped the class when I heard the thunder. Saya menjatuhkan gelas ketika saya mendengar petir. The flowers are withered because you're not watering them. Bunganya layu karena kamu tidak menyiramnya. Okay, something like that. I think that's all about the close. Okay, we go to simple present. Okay, check it out. Okay, the simple present it's telling about uh, daily atau kalimat sehari-hari atau menyatakan sesuatu yang pasti. Dan rumusnya adalah subject plus verb one plus object gitu. And simple present sentence itu tuh kita ada dua macam, seperti misalnya subject plus verb one plus object. Contoh kedua adalah jenis kedua adalah subject plus verb one plus s plus object. Oke, so yang membedakannya adalah subjeknya guys, karena kalau subjeknya orang ketiga tunggal she it, itu kita plus s pada verb one, sedangkan are you day we don't add s to verb one. Okay, let's check it. The example number one is I swim. I read the book every night. I read book every night. Okay, I read book every night. So if you wanna change the subject, it's being he reads book every night, or she reads a book every night. Anton reads a book every night. The example number two is I wrote the sad story every I feel bad. Okay, I write the sad story when I feel bad. Okay, so if we change the subject being Nana writes sad story when she feel bad. Okay, how about the negative simple present sentence? We just add don't or doesn't in our sentence. The example is I don't drive the car to the college every Monday. I don't drive the car to college every Monday. Okay, but if we change the subject being he, she, it could be he doesn't drive a car to the college every Monday. So we don't add s again to the verb one because dulunya telah ditambahkan s. So we don't need to add the s to the verb one. Okay, I think that's all about the simple present sentence. We go to past tense. Okay, past tense. It's telling about kalimat yang telah berbau di masa lampau. Jadi ada kalimat itu ada keterangan waktunya, ada yesterday, last week, last month, last year, or 2 days ago, 3 days ago, or something like that. Okay. Dan rumusnya adalah subject plus verb one plus subject plus verb two plus object. Okay, that's dan di past tense sendiri kita tidak ada punya seperti simple past tense yang misalnya subjeknya he, we, or he, she, it, kita nggak punya perbedaan, tetap memiliki rumus yang sama. So let's say I don't he drove a car to college yesterday. He drove a car to college yesterday. Okay, So he is subject, drove is verb 2, um, college is the object, and yesterday is keterangan waktu. And what else do you example? I should be thinking first. Yeah. I played the guitar 2 days ago. Okay, I played the guitar 2 days ago. Or the Garuda plan. Sorry, the Garuda plane flew from Beijing yesterday. The Garuda plane flew from Beijing yesterday. Okay, or something like that. I think that's all about example. So we go to negative sentence of past tense. Okay, the negative you just plus didn't in your sentence, but we don't use the verb to again because didn't telah mewakili verb to. So the example is I didn't eat yesterday. Okay, I didn't eat yesterday. Contoh lainnya adalah he didn't submit the assessment yesterday, or he didn't submit his assessment last month or last week or something like that. So the rumusnya adalah subject plus didn't plus sorry I forget it, plus verb 1 plus object. Okay, so but in this past tense kita juga selain kata kerja kita juga punya kalimat kita bisa menggunakan kalimat benda, kalimat sifat atau adjective. Okay, so contohnya adalah misalnya I was angry last night. I was angry last night. Oh yeah, I forget to explain the form rumusnya. Rumusnya adalah subject plus was or were, subject plus was or were plus adjective or noun plus object. Okay. So if you use the he, she, it, you should add the was. Okay, you should add was in your sentence. But if you use I, you, we, they, okay, you add were in the sentence. So the auxiliary was is just for he, she, it, or orang ketiga tunggal. So auxiliary word is for I, you, we, they. Okay. I angry last night. Okay. I was angry. I was angry last night. Sorry. I itu adalah was. Okay. I was angry last night. What else? I forget it. I was sad last month because I lost my assessment. Okay. Dan contoh lainnya adalah Lala were angry because she don't get what she want. Okay, or something like that. Okay, I think that's all about this video. So because maybe this video telah mencapai 10 menit juga, so I should cut this video first. And I think that's all about this video. I'm so sorry if I have a much mistaken, because I'm not really speaking English fluently, but I try to speak in English. So I'm so sorry if I mix bahasa too. And yeah, it's yeah. So yeah, that's all. So see ya.